Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you? Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. I am good. What about you? How are you?
I'm fantastic. I'm also good.
Okay, what is your name? Here stand
My
like
name is
RKR.
Rajiv Kumar.
Rajiv Kumar. And here is the third R, second R stand, RKR. What is the meaning of RKR? Rajiv Kumar.
RKR means Rajiv Kumar Ranjan. RKR means Rajiv Kumar Ranjan. And I'm
Okay.
a farmer, so that's why I have just made an ID of RKR farmhouse. Because I did not mention full name because it was bigger.
Yes, it's so much long.
So I just make front RKR, and after that farmhouse I added, so that the unique name will be.
Like it's like SRK, Shahrukh Khan, and same like you, Rajiv Kumar Ranjan, RKR.
Yes, yes.
So how is going everything in your life?
Yes, my life have been fantastic.
Okay, do you enjoy farming profession?
Yes, of course. Why not? This is our occupation. So I love farming.
Okay, which crops do you grow?
Yes, because I am growing different kind of vegetables, and also I am also producing different kind of grains. This time winter, not winter season has finished, and spring season is going on. So in my area, in my lands, just wheat is growing. I am growing wheats. You can see behind me, wheat is growing in my field,
Okay.
and 50 inch up to 50 months has grown. After 1 month from now, I will harvest. It will get ready after 1 month from now.
Okay, where do you live? I did not ask me. Where do you live?
But my introduction. So this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar. Okay, I am a farmer, and my village name is Sir, and this village comes under Jhaya police station of Jammu district of Bihar state. My state name is Bihar, and my district name is Jammu.
Okay, got it, brother. And there is good difference between the farming and English language. So, what is speaking
Yes,
word?
yes, from childhood I was passionate to learn English, but I was Hindi medium. Starting from childhood up to the class 12, I studied in Hindi medium, and after that time I was not speaking. But no, from last year I was not speaking, but I was having passion to learn English. But last year no, I never thought that I will speak English. But after joining this Skype app, and I have been continuously speaking with different kind of person, just like you and just like ma'am and sister and brother, and continuously I am talking, and I am able to speak right now.
Right, you can speak. You are speaking quite well.
Yes, yes, regularly I am speaking no, so that's why this is happening with me. So if any person will regularly speak with any kind of person, so they can face anybody.
Apart from speaking portion, what do you do to improve your level?
Yeah, because I am having a lot of work for doing farming. My father is a farmer, so I spend time most of the time doing different kind of activity of farming, just like cultivating, just like giving water to the plants and seeding and and harvesting. So and giving also uh, bringing tractor for cultivating, and so there are many kind of criteria and cutting, sweeping and mulching process, and many things are available behind the agriculture field. So you
Okay,
can see, no,
uh,
you can see
okay, I
behind
can
this.
see.
Yeah, this is lady
Thank
finger, Okara. This name is Okara, and this is lady finger. So yesterday I have given butter in this land, and I am just checking out. And today evening, no, I will spray pesticide on this Okara, lady finger,
right.
so that in order to remove the insecticide.
Right. Okay, one thing I wanted to ask you. People have like only superficial knowledge of farming. They know that farming is some have different type. Everyone have different type of imagination in their mind. So but you know ground reality. So tell me something. Ground reality of farming. That what
Yes,
are myths, what are facts, what are reality.
Yes, yes. Because brother, that farming is a good profession. But in India, 70% of the people of Indian people is doing farming, and also our national income is also growing, and I am also helping to develop our national income, and per capita income also I am increasing. You imagine, our government is failing to give job each and every graduate person today, and
Right.
if I will not do farming, so what will happen? The employment program will be increased, and definitely, definitely people will die hungry, and if and poverty will increase. So, seeing the
Definitely.
situation, yeah, seeing the situation of the employment problem, poverty problem, so that probably poverty and employment problem should not come in India, so that I am just involved in this farming. So I think that after doing graduation, if anybody will involve this agriculture field, so there is no harm. They can do, of course.
Right, right. And what are the risks in farming?
What?
Which type of problem do you face regarding farming
Yeah,
in
yeah,
farming?
yeah. Yeah, farming, many problem I can face because I am belong to the Bihar person and I am a farmer of Bihar. So Bihar farmer, Jharkhand farmer, and UP farmer, all the farmer are facing the same problem. But in compare of the Haryana, Punjab, and Bengal, the farmer is very good because the farmer of Bengal and the farmer of Haryana and the farmer of Punjab are not facing the problem like us because they have a lot of knowledge and they have a lot of opportunity and their government is good. Their government is providing subsidy. They have canal, they have tractor, they have harvester machine, and they have electricity. They have natural compost just like cow dung and vermicompost also available in that area, but I don't have vermicompost because I don't have cow. So how it is possible for us to develop? So Bihar is lagging behind due to this reason.
Okay, okay. We can't change the situation, but government can change the situation if they think about farmers condition. So definitely it will improve through the
Yes,
support
yes,
of
yes, yes,
government
sir.
policies.
Yes, sir. If I am taking the example of the situation that if I will produce more and more grain, just like wheat, okay, so only then the price will be less. If I will send to a wheat in better amount, in big amount of stock, so on that time, if you will go to the market and if you will buy wheat 1 kg wheat, then the shopkeeper will give you 30 rupees per kg. If I will not produce more and more grain and wheat and rice, so on that time the price will be increased on that time from the
Right,
market by 50 rupees per kg. So I am just helping you. I am just producing different kind of grains so that the price will decrease and you will get all the things by low prices. Otherwise, if I will not produce, so you will not get at the low prices. You will get all the things at the high prices. But what will happen to those who have no money? Poor person cannot afford much money, and they will not buy the rice. They will not buy the wheat at the low prices because their income is very less. So what will happen to the our India? All the poor person, all the employment person will starving hungry. So that's why this is a problem of our country. But government should pay attention about behind the agriculture sector also.
right, right. Right. We eat, we live, we survive because of farmers. If there are no farmers, so it's impossible to live. We can't eat money. We can't drink like gold, silver. We can't eat money. But you grow. This is the reason we can buy and we survive. And we send grains in many countries. We export grains in many countries.
Yes, yes. We are India is also exporting different kind of foods and different kind of grains also to sending to the Pakistan, Afghanistan, and China and nearby country and adjoining country also. India is sending.
And earlier situation was totally opposite. It's like after Green Revolution, situation have changed. Has changed. Before that, situation was very worse, and we have not grains for our eat, for our survival.
Yes, yes. You are talking about the green revolution. So, but this is the green revolution just come in 1960. After 1916, green revolution come. I think that, but before the 1960, what was happening to the India? But the production was very less.
Yes,
Agriculture
like
sector production was very less.
we grow like many crops for the profit of Britishers. Like in for colors, Nils crop we grow, and mostly for producing colors we grow. What can I say? For clothes.
Yes, yes. Yes, hybrid seeds are also available because of green revolution. But in my area, no, nothing is possible because you know that only seeds. If you will get high quality of seeds, then and you don't have the resources of water, you don't have the sunlight, and you don't have any kind of canal, and you don't have electricity. So what will happen? Green revolution will be not possible on that area. Green revolution will be possible on that which area is very all which area have all the facility just like good amount of hybrid seed and better facility of canal and watering system and electricity and rainfall. Okay, but if you are thinking of producing rice and you have bought hybrid quality of uh, grain, hybrid quality of paddy, but you are not facility of rainwater, and you are not facility of dam, you are not facility of electricity. So how can you give butter to that paddy? Because my dear sir, that paddy needs more and more butter.
Right. Yes, right. Without resources, we can't grow any crop in this world.
Yes, yes, yes. So green revolution also helping me. I'm not telling that green revolution is not helping me, but you can see that I have just used hybrid seed of the wheat, and you can say that 1 month before, 2 months before, I have just planted the hybrid seeds, and within 2 months it has grown to 50 inch, and after that within 15 days it will get dry, and it will just this time this is raw material, and unfinished product is available, but after 15 days it will reap, and I will harvest it. So within 3 months it will get ready. But what was happening in the ancient time? Okay, it was taking more time. 5 months was taking, but in this because of green revolution, it is taking only 3 months time, and production is also high in compare of the ancient time. So I green revolution is also helping me, but I have facility of power system, electricity, borewell, and canal. You can see that I have canal, but there is no water. You can see that there is a canal, and
By
this
time,
canal is comes.
definitely things will improve.
Yes,
Some things have
you are
improved,
seeing
some
now.
are improving,
Yes,
some
yes,
future will improve.
yes. You are watching. This is a canal. Okay, this is a canal, but there is a scarcity of water in this canal, and this canal is coming from a dam, and this dam is 5 kilometers far from my house, but there is no water. So this time I am not able to give water by using and by helping this canal. So I am just having a small borewell and uh, a small machine. So by using that machine, I am just giving water.
Okay. Brother, sorry for interrupt you. Now I have to go.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Thank you, thank you. It is a nice conversation, sir, and definitely I will talk to you next time.
definitely, definitely,
Okay,
definitely.
bye
And we
bye.
will talk more and more.
Okay,
Thank you
okay.
so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Nice to meet you. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you.